Join me as I try to master all 7 must-know motorcycle riding rules and put them to the test on the road. When it comes to motorcycle riding, there's no shortage of tips and tricks to improve your skills and stay safe on the road, but with so much information out there, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. That's why I want to share with you the 7 must-know motorcycle riding rules that every rider should know, regardless of experience level or riding style. Motorcycle riders face a unique set of challenges on the road. Not only do we have to contend with the usual hazards like potholes and reckless drivers, but we also have to deal with our own vulnerability as riders. A single mistake can have serious consequences, and even the most experienced riders can find themselves in a tight spot if they're not careful. In fact, did you know that motorcyclists are about 28 times more likely to die in a crash than passenger car occupants per vehicle mile traveled, and about 5 times more likely to be injured? The stats are sobering, and it's clear that we need to take every precaution to stay safe on the road. One of the biggest risk factors for motorcyclists is a lack of awareness, both from other drivers and from ourselves. When we're on the road, it's easy to get complacent and let our guard down, but this can lead to accidents and near misses. And when it comes to other drivers, it's all too common for them to fail to spot us or anticipate our actions. By following these 7 must-know riding rules, we can dramatically reduce our risk of being involved in an accident and stay safe on the road. From adjusting our speed to suit the road conditions to anticipating and reacting to hazards, these rules are designed to help us stay one step ahead of danger and ride with confidence. So, are you ready to learn the 7 must-know motorcycle riding rules that could save your life? The first rule is to always be aware of your surroundings. That means keeping an eye on the road ahead, checking your mirrors and blind spots, and staying alert for potential hazards. This is especially important when you're riding in urban areas or on busy highways where there are more risks and distractions. By staying aware, you can anticipate and react to hazards before they become a problem. The second rule is to maintain a safe, following distance. This gives you time to react if the vehicle in front of you suddenly stops or swerves. It's also important to leave enough space to maneuver around obstacles or make an emergency stop if needed. Remember, the more time you have to react, the safer you'll be. The third rule is to ride defensively. That means being prepared for the unexpected and anticipating the actions of other drivers. This might mean slowing down or taking evasive action to avoid a hazard, or simply being more cautious when driving at night or in bad weather. The fourth rule is to use your body positioning to control your bike. This means shifting your weight to help steer the bike, using your legs to help with cornering and keeping your knees tucked in to reduce wind resistance. By using your body to help control the bike, you can reduce your risk of losing control or crashing. The fifth rule is to accelerate smoothly and gradually. Sudden acceleration can cause your bike to lose traction or become unstable, especially on wet or slippery roads. By accelerating smoothly, you can maintain control and avoid accidents. The sixth rule is to brake gently and gradually. Hard braking can cause your bike to skid or lose control, especially if you're riding a heavy bike or carrying a passenger. By braking gently and gradually, you can stay in control and avoid accidents. The seventh and final rule is to stay alert and focused. Riding a motorcycle can be mentally and physically demanding, and it's easy to get tired or distracted. By staying alert and focused, you can maintain your concentration and reactions, and stay safe on the road. One of the most important rules to remember is to always be aware of your surroundings. This means keeping an eye on the road ahead, checking your mirrors and blind spots, and staying alert for potential hazards. I remember one time when I was riding on a busy highway, and a car suddenly cut me off. If I hadn't been paying attention, I could have been in serious trouble. Instead, I was able to react quickly and avoid the hazard, thanks to my awareness and quick thinking. In fact, many motorcycle accidents could be avoided if riders simply followed these 7 must-know rules. By being more aware, defensive, and in control, we can reduce our risk of being involved in an accident and stay safe on the road. It's a sobering thought, but one that I hope will resonate with all of you. So, to recap, the 7 must-know motorcycle riding rules are: be aware of your surroundings, maintain a safe following distance, ride defensively, use your body positioning to control your bike, accelerate smoothly and gradually, brake gently and gradually, and stay alert and focused. By following these rules, you can dramatically reduce your risk of being involved in an accident and stay safe on the road. Thanks for watching, and I'd love to hear from you. What are your thoughts on these 7 must-know motorcycle riding rules? Do you have any other tips or tricks to share? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more motorcycle tips and tutorials. And if you want to learn more about improving your riding skills, be sure to check out my next video on advanced riding techniques.